Welcome to a special Mardi Gras edition with Duey C.K. and his trusty sidekick Peppy. Today we're diving into the vibrant world of Mardi Gras with a recipe for the iconic king cake. This colorful, ring-shaped cake is a staple of the celebration and comes adorned in purple, green, and gold sugar, colors symbolizing justice, faith, and power. But before we get baking, let's sprinkle in a bit of history. Originating from France, the king cake made its way to New Orleans in the late 19th century. Traditionally, a small baby figurine is hidden inside the cake, and the lucky finder is crowned king or queen for the day, tasked with hosting the next Mardi Gras party. Now, let's get to the recipe. Start by preparing a dough with yeast, warm milk, sugar, eggs, and butter. Knead until smooth and let it rise until doubled in size. Roll out the dough, spread a cinnamon sugar mixture, and shape it into a ring. After a second rise, bake until golden brown. Once cooled, drizzle with a simple icing made from powdered sugar and milk, then decorate with colored sugar. And don't forget to hide the baby figurine. Enjoy the sweet, buttery, and festive king cake with your family and friends. From farm to fork and through time and taste, every slice of king cake tells a story. So tie on your apron and let's get baking the Mardi Gras way with Duey C.K. and Peppy.